but today is definitely a historic day for our country. Joanie is standing by live for us right now. Let's head over to her and see where she is and what she's seeing right now. Joanie.
Well, Federal Plaza is quiet right now, but already we have confirmed that there's going to be a rally here at 5:30, and multiple groups are participating in that rally. The group Chicago for Abortion Rights issued a statement saying that the court is slamming the door in the face of millions of women and gender non-conforming people. On the eve of Pride events here in Chicago, the LGBTQ community has been saying that their rights will be threatened next. Now, all of this comes after there was a hint that there was going to be this kind of ruling back in March. Here's what Chicago looked like then. Thousands of people gathering on the streets on the west side, the Beverly neighborhood, and in the Loop to demonstrate for abortion rights after a rough draft opinion was leaked from the Supreme Court, indicating that justices were planning to overturn the Roe v. Wade ruling that protected abortion rights. Governor Pritzker has stated that abortion would remain legal in Illinois, but it is surrounded by states that would probably ban abortion, and so he was predicting that more women would come to Illinois to seek services here. Elected officials said what the public can do is vote for candidates who would protect productive rights, and we do have a primary election coming up on Tuesday where abortion has been an issue, at least in the Secretary of State's race. So we do know that there is what they call a crisis response rally at 5:30 here at Federal Plaza. It's put on by the Chicago for Abortion Rights Group, but there are dozens of other groups that intend to participate. Governor Pritzker has a planned appearance at 10 o'clock at the Howard Brown Center. He is signing some bills related to the LGBTQ community. He's expected to comment there, but already he has issued a release saying that he is calling for a special session to address reproductive health rights. He says that choice will be enshrined as the law in Illinois. He is working with Speaker of the House Chris Welch on that to expand health care rights in Illinois. Also, Mayor Lightfoot has an appearance this morning. She's expected to comment as well.